Hey guys, welcome back. You know, with this time change, it's been hard to cook at dinner time. So you know, I'm gonna prepare you just a simple crock pot meal. However, this needs to cook. I'm doing sloppy Joe, guys, and it's beef, and it's gonna have to cook in the crock pot for several hours. So I'm gonna go out here and grill this hamburger. I'm gonna get it all prepped up on the grill. Then we're gonna bring it back in, put it in a crock pot, put the sloppy Joe together, and just let it cook for about 3 or 4 hours. So let's get out here on the grill. Hey guys, while the charcoal is lighting up out there, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this meat. I got about 1.5 pounds, roughly 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef, and I'm just gonna make up some big hamburger patties. We're gonna get some good charcoal grilled hamburgers going. Don't have to be pretty. They're all gonna go crumbled up as sloppy Joe meat. That'll be plenty. Yeah, half and half, guys. Alright, let's get this thing going. Get some burgers on here, all this heat. Listen to that. Can't help but throw a little salt, pepper, garlic on here. Probably should have done this first. Sneak in a little bit of hickory wood, just for some flavor. Get a little smoke on it. See if we can give these a flip without breaking them apart. They're awfully big. Oh yeah. Do a few more minutes, we'll put them in a pan. Okay guys, we are about ready here. Go in with our cast iron skillet. Put this meat over here. We'll do some more cooking right here. Man, we got some amazing flavors going on in this already. Alright. We'll do a little indirect cooking for the moment. It's not completely done, but we got some more cooking to do. I'm going to add in about a medium to large red bell pepper. About a 1/2 cup of just sweet onion, and 2 whole cloves of garlic. Again, we're just going to blend all this together and let her cook. Get it over some direct heat. That's that piece of hickory wood. Gonna cook this meat the rest of the way. We're also gonna tenderize those onions and bell peppers. Do this and get a little bit more smoke in there too. Be back in just a second. Looks like most of that grease is dripped down when I charred it over the charcoals, which is good. May not have to drain this. Guys, you can smell this already. Oh man. I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna shut this grill down. Might even save some charcoal. Yes, I do reuse charcoal when I can. Saves a bunch of money. I'm gonna get this off of here. Get inside, we're gonna put this together. See you inside. Alright guys, let's make this happen. Put the mixture on in my crock pot. Smells awesome. Hickory smoke, grilled hamburger, sauteed onions. Got most of the grease out of it. All right, it's gonna be amazing. All right, you guys, we're gonna come in with about a half a cup of ketchup. About a half a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Of course, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, the Hickory brown sugar. This is about a teaspoon of chili powder. It's about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Ooh, a bit less on that one. About 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm using Liam Parent's. Go ahead and give this a quick mix. It's gonna be some happening sloppy joe, guys. Happening sloppy joe. And finally, making a mess, just 1 8-ounce can of Bush's Original Baked Beans. I believe that kind of sets this sloppy joe off. Give 1 last little stir. So I'll be stirring periodically as we go. You see that? Look at that. Smells amazing. I'm gonna put this in the crock pot. We're gonna cook it on high for, I'm hoping to get 3 hours. It's starting to get late, so we're gonna go as far as we can to make sure it's good and simmered thoroughly. Get some great flavors going. I'll see you here in a few hours. All right, guys, let me turn this over. Already fed my family. Well, the lighting's not very good. Look at that. You could smell it, you'd be in heaven. Let's get a sandwich. Okay, guys, we got some Hawaiian buns. Let's get this on here. Look at that goodness. It's gonna be messy, ain't it? One thing we're gonna top this with, some sharp cheddar cheese. Probably add a sweet pickle or a bread and butter pickle, but not today. Let's get a bite of that. There's no way I'm gonna cut this for you because it's gonna fall apart. I'm just gonna go in, guys. Look at that. I'm going in right here. Look at that. We're going in. You've all had sloppy joe before, guys. If you haven't had it from scratch, if you haven't had it with the meat was seared on the over charcoal with some hickory wood, you haven't had sloppy joe, guys. Trust me on this. Got the ingredients below. Be sure and check that. This is, I've made a mess. So I've made a mess. So regardless of what I put in here, the ingredients are below. You play with it, make it your own. But definitely do the meat over charcoal. I added hickory wood, and that is standing out here, and that makes this probably the best sloppy joes I've ever had in my whole life. So guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, guys. It helps us out a lot. And subscribe if you have not already. And guys, hit that bell over there. You'll be notified every time we do. Does not cost you a thing. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.